Hi friends, my name is Vishwajeet Vishnu and I'm the Managing Director at Ear Solutions Private Limited. Today I'm going to talk about the latest series of hearing aids from Interton brand. So Interton is a brand which was started in Denmark back in 1962, and it is part of the same GN Resound group, which also makes the Resound hearing aids. In India, they are headquartered in Mumbai. Interton has launched their latest series of Move hearing aids. So the hearing aid comes in a hard case packaging. It's a very premium quality packaging, and if you can see this box, it has got two shelves. One shelf is for the hearing aids, whereas the other shelf is packed for chargers and the other accessories that comes along with it. So I'll be opening this box first time for you, and I'll be showing you what all things you can expect here, and also about some of the features that are there packed beautifully inside this hearing aid. Alright, so let's unbox this beautiful hearing aid. So here we get the hearing aids. These are the two hearing aids fully packed inside the carry box, the small black carry box that you have. The receivers are kept separately in this box. The best part with any RIC hearing aid is that you can choose the receivers as per your hearing loss. So if you have high degree of hearing loss, you can select a high power receiver, and if you have a mild or moderate hearing loss, you can go for a lesser power receiver. So which means that this hearing aid can suit to most of the losses. Roughly 80% of the hearing loss can be covered with this type of hearing aid. Let's go to the second part of the hearing aid case. Here we get the power bank charger. In this segment, Interton is the only company which is providing a charger with a battery bank. This means that you have to charge the hearing aid for one night and you are good to go for another 5 to 6 days. This would charge your hearing aids over and over for 5 to 6 times, which is just great for a person like me who is travel freak, who's always traveling. I would always like to own something where I do not need to charge it very often. So this power bank would help us keep the hearing aid alive for 5 to 6 days without charging it. So it comes with a user guide. This is how the power bank charger looks like. So you can place the hearing aids here, and it has a place for the receivers to sit properly, and then this fits very beautifully, and it would charge your hearing aid even when it is not connected to a power socket, because the battery is already inbuilt into the charger. And you know what? The best thing is that it comes with a C-type charger. C-type charger are very popular these days. All the electronic gadgets are coming with C-type charger, which means that forget the charging cable, you can still charge your hearing aid. And C-type chargers are very fast as compared to other chargers. The Move series is the latest series of hearing aid from Interton brand. It is rechargeable and it has all the latest functionalities. It has up to 17 channels in it, and you know what? This also comes with a nano coating on it, which means practically even if the water enters the hearing aid, it will not get damaged. So you can consider it to be fully safe from water. This is fully nano coated. The chip inside is safe from water because it is nano coated. These hearing aids can be connected with iPhones or even Android mobile phones. This has got ASHA platform, and it uses low energy Bluetooth, which means that while these hearing aids are streaming Bluetooth, it will consume very low energy and you can stream for very long time. You can listen to your favorite music, you can roam around, and your battery would not drain out. That's the best part of it. Apart from the unique features like a charger with a battery bank or nano coating in the hearing aid, why I personally love these devices are because of its sound quality. These hearing aids are made to perfection. your audiologist can tune it in a way that you would just love the sound of these hearing aids. We have tried it on many patients and we have a long list of satisfied customers using these hearing aids. If you are interested to get the trial from latest series of Interton hearing aids, please reach out to us. You can write us in the comment section or visit our website at www.earsolutions.in and request for a free hearing aid trials from these latest hearing aids. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends. Click the subscribe button or reach out to us in the comment section if you have any question. अब सब सुनेंगे.